Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Install Google Authenticator on your mobile device before starting Facebook setup. Open your phone store and search Google Authenticator, then install it now. Update the Facebook app to the latest version on your phone or browser. Sign in to Facebook and confirm your email and phone number are current. Write down Facebook recovery codes and store them securely offline before enabling 2FA. Also ensure your phone clock is set to automatic network time. Codes refresh every 30 seconds, so accurate time is essential for pairing. Go to Facebook settings and open Security and login to find two-factor authentication. Select Use two-factor authentication and then choose Authentication app as your method. Facebook will display a QR code and optional manual key for setup on your phone. Open Google Authenticator and tap Add Account, then scan the QR code or enter the manual key. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator to confirm and finish setup. Facebook will show a confirmation message and prompt you to save backup codes. Save and securely store at least one recovery code from Facebook after setup. Print the codes or copy them into an encrypted password manager you control. Use the manual key shown during setup to re-add your account if you change or lose your device. If you still have your old phone, transfer accounts using the Authenticator app transfer feature. If locked out, use a trusted contact or submit identity verification to regain access. Periodically test a login to confirm codes are working every 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.